After the calm purity of Contrapunctus I, Bach moves decisively in a new direction. Here, in Contrapunctus II, he takes the same subject, but transforms its character entirely through rhythm. The dotted figures give the music a buoyant, almost dance-like quality, as if Bach were awakening movement within stillness. In the autograph score, these dotted rhythms and the four-note slurs were later additions. The slurs appear only in the printed version, where Bach clearly intended them to shape the phrasing and bring the music vividly to life. Beneath this rhythmic elegance lies the same contrapuntal discipline as before, the same clarity, restraint, and beautifully balanced design. The texture is tightly woven. The episodes are short and fluid. But now the music has a pulse, a sense of lift and forward motion that carries it along. Before publication, Bach made a few notable revisions. In the autograph version, the fugue ended with a striking syncopated entry of the subject in a tenor, a subtle rhythmic twist that may have been intended as its climax. For the printed edition, though, Bach added a new coda, a firmer, more decisive conclusion. It replaces the earlier ambiguity with a sense of resolution and poise, a gesture that rounds off the fugue with quiet confidence. Although Contrapunctus II follows immediately after the first fugue, the contrast between them is unmistakable. Where Contrapunctus I is flowing, lyrical and purposeful, Contrapunctus II is rhythmic, articulate and alive with energy. It is the same voice speaking, but now with poise, movement and dance in its step. With this fugue, Bach begins to reveal the astonishing variety hidden within a single theme. Each new contrapunctus uncovers another facet, another possible world of sound and expression.